Make a great choice today with
The 2019 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, heated mirrors, remote engine start, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.